Apply the eye patches here under your eyes.
Let it stay for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, now we will remove it. Now you can wash your skin with normal water after removing these eye patches. You can use these eye patches twice a week, not more than that.
DIY uses natural ingredients and is usually safe, but do a patch test before use. Avoid contact with eyes and for external use only.
Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.